Hello, passionate explorers of space. Today, we're taking you on an exciting space adventure. NASA faces a major decision regarding how astronauts Barry Butch Wilmore and Sunita Suni Williams will return to Earth. Technical issues with Boeing's Starliner capsule have made space travel unexpectedly complicated. And now, SpaceX's Dragon capsule is being considered as an alternative option. How did this story begin, and where will it take us? Let's dive into this science and technology-filled adventure together. In June 2024, Boeing's next-generation spacecraft, Starliner, was launched to transport our astronauts to the International Space Station. This mission was one of Boeing's first attempts at manned spaceflights and was seen as a significant milestone in NASA's Commercial Crew program. However, not everything went as planned in this exciting mission. Starliner came into the spotlight due to issues with its propulsion system before docking with the ISS. After the launch on June 14, 2024, problems emerged with Starliner's propulsion system, specifically identified as helium leaks and low thrust. These technical failures severely limited the vehicle's maneuverability and caught NASA's attention. During the mission, inspections revealed that 5 out of 28 thrusters were not functioning correctly. This situation threatened the vehicle's ability to safely return to Earth and raised concerns among the mission team. A team of engineers from NASA and Boeing worked quickly to find a solution, managing to restart 4 of the faulty thrusters. However, this only provided a temporary fix and did not address the root of the problem. The technical glitches in Starliner's propulsion system served as a crucial lesson for both NASA and Boeing, emphasizing the need for greater caution in future missions. This mission highlighted the critical importance of safety in manned spaceflights and revealed the challenges and potential of the Commercial Crew program. To resolve these issues for future Starliner missions and prevent similar situations, NASA and Boeing will continue to work more closely together. Although Boeing stated that Starliner has enough helium for a safe return, tests conducted on Earth revealed that an overheated Teflon-coated seal could create problems. This prompted NASA to seek other alternatives, bringing SpaceX's Dragon capsule into consideration as a potential option. SpaceX has achieved significant successes in space travel in recent years and gained NASA's trust. The Dragon capsule has revolutionized space research and proven itself with many successful missions. Now, NASA faces a critical question: which vehicle will bring our astronauts back to Earth? If NASA chooses Dragon, this decision will significantly impact the future of Starliner. Opting for the SpaceX Dragon capsule for Wilmore and Williams' return journey could mean a much longer stay in space for them. The originally planned 8-day mission could extend to up to 9 months, thanks to the logistics and life support systems provided by the Dragon capsule. This situation indicates that NASA needs to adjust its current mission schedule and develop a flexible approach for future missions. The Dragon capsule has the necessary technology and infrastructure to support the crew for a longer duration in space, allowing NASA to adjust mission durations and plans more flexibly. However, such a long stay in space can present some challenges for the crew. Long-duration space missions can affect astronauts' health and psychological well-being. For example, prolonged exposure to a microgravity environment can lead to muscle and bone density loss. Therefore, Wilmore and Williams will need to exercise regularly and follow special diets. Additionally, radiation levels are a significant risk factor and must be continuously monitored during extended missions. The psychological well-being of the crew should also be considered. Spending extended periods in an isolated environment and far from Earth can increase stress and anxiety levels. NASA provides psychological support programs and communication channels to help manage such situations. Steve Stick, the manager of NASA's Commercial Crew program, stated that no decision has been made yet and that all options are on the table. According to Stick, different scenarios are being explored at this stage, and NASA is working on a flexible schedule to be prepared for any situation. The capabilities of the Dragon capsule and the logistical support opportunities at the International Space Station are being evaluated to decide on extending Wilmore and Williams' mission duration. The indication that future mission dates may be rescheduled suggests that a decision is imminent. Additionally, NASA's collaborations with its commercial partners demonstrate the development of strategies that increase flexibility in space missions. This kind of flexibility is crucial for ensuring crew safety and mission success. NASA's flexible approach is an important step for the future of space exploration, highlighting a significant strategy for increasing the capacity and potential of commercial space flights. As a result, more comprehensive and long-term plans can be made in space exploration, enabling humanity to undertake deeper discoveries in space. Experiences gained from extending such missions could provide critical insights for future manned missions to more distant targets like Mars. If Wilmore and Williams can successfully carry out their duties under these challenging conditions, more information could be gathered about the effects of long-term space habitation, potentially paving the way for future explorations. NASA needs to carefully assess this situation. While concerns about Starliner's safety persist, Dragon's reliability and past successes are just some of the factors influencing this decision. If NASA opts for Dragon instead of Starliner, it could be a significant setback for Boeing and raise questions about the future use of their spacecraft. Boeing has expressed confidence in Starliner's ability to safely return astronauts to Earth. However, issues with its propulsion system and new problems identified during tests could undermine this confidence. NASA had previously signed contracts with SpaceX and Boeing to transport astronauts to and from the space station. The goal of these contracts was to increase the capacity for transporting astronauts to space independently of U.S. soil. While SpaceX's Dragon capsule has been operating safely since 2020, Boeing's Starliner is still facing challenges. NASA's decision will impact not only the current mission but also future space travel. If Starliner cannot be completed successfully, it could mark a significant turning point in how competition in the space industry evolves. SpaceX has already achieved numerous successful launches, making it an even more reliable partner in NASA's eyes. Boeing's Starliner, on the other hand, is struggling with technical issues and delays. NASA's decision in this situation will set an example for other space companies and serve as an important reference point for future space research. NASA faces a tough decision. Which vehicle will safely return our astronauts to Earth? This decision will create a significant impact in the space industry and provide valuable lessons for future space missions. One thing is certain: space travel is now more exciting and uncertain than ever. This means more exploration and adventure for science and space enthusiasts. The rivalry between Boeing's Starliner and SpaceX's Dragon could be a pivotal moment for the future of space research. Which one will prevail will be determined by NASA's decision. Technical issues in space are a natural part of humanity's efforts to establish a permanent presence in space. This process allows us to learn significant lessons from both scientific and engineering perspectives. The experiences gained by companies like Boeing and SpaceX during this process will contribute to making future missions safer and more efficient. Additionally, it's clear that more collaboration in space research is needed to address such challenges. NASA's collaboration with these two major private companies plays a crucial role in accelerating technological advancements and reducing costs. In the future, more companies may enter this field, and space exploration will continue with broader participation. Astronauts like Wilmore and Williams are pioneers in humanity's efforts to establish a permanent presence in space. Their experiences provide important insights into how life can be sustained in space. Every day spent on the space station helps us better understand the effects of a microgravity environment on the human body. This wealth of knowledge is crucial for achieving our goals of establishing colonies on other planets, like Mars. In our efforts to create a permanent presence in space, the data gathered from such missions will guide us. The challenges our astronauts face and their methods for overcoming these challenges offer valuable lessons for future space missions. Space exploration not only raises scientific questions, but also presents ethical and philosophical considerations for humanity. The sustainability of life in space helps us better understand who we are as a species and our place in the universe. Our Earth, a tiny dot in the vastness of space, becomes more precious through these discoveries. These exciting events offer an inspiring story for science and technology enthusiasts. NASA's significant decision will have a major impact on how space exploration evolves in the future. The experiences gained by both companies lay a foundation for advancing space research. Let's keep our eyes on the sky and stay closely tuned to these developments. Each day, advancements in space research and technology open new doors that challenge our imagination. Perhaps one day, we too will have the opportunity to journey through the depths of space like these brave astronauts. Remember, these adventures are just the beginning, and we live in an infinite universe with countless planets, stars, and galaxies still waiting to be discovered. To learn more about future discoveries and space adventures and to join us on this exciting journey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts with us. We are eagerly anticipating the new adventures awaiting us in the depths of space. With advancing technologies and scientific discoveries, we are one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be part of this story, becoming one of the new generation of explorers venturing towards the stars. For now, continue exploring space and embrace the endless possibilities offered by this captivating universe. The future is in our hands, and it's never too late to explore a world beyond our imagination.